So the Design Innovation Studio requires technology, it requires curriculum, it requires professional development, and here at IN-MaC we have a team of two, myself and my partner Lisa Deck. With that, Dr. Greg Strimmel at Purdue Polytechnic introduced us to STEM Education Works 4 years ago. From that partnership, we've been able to invest in regards to time and talent with our team as well as the STEM education team, and we have been able to grow the Design Innovation Studio. The team at STEM Education Works helps to identify the technology that goes into the Design Innovation Studios. They also help with layout and design. They're also a support system for us in regards to professional development, and in regards to keeping the curriculum alive. Curriculum is one of those things that requires a lot of hand-holding in regards to keeping it updated, especially with Indiana state standards, science standards. And so the team at STEM Education Works really helps to make sure that we're on the right page in regards to aligning the technology with curriculum. They also help with scope and sequence, especially with educators. The educators are the champions of the Design Innovation Studios. They are the ones who are in the Design Innovation Studios day in and day out and really building a positive impact for the students. So again, that's something in regards to relationship with STEM Education Works that we're really happy to have.